change the engine oil and filter on your RZR Pro R, follow these steps. For optimal performance, always use Polaris recommended fluids as described in your owner's manual. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface in a well-ventilated area, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Next, allow the engine to cool down before draining the oil. Then, place a drain pan under the engine crankcase. Placing a rag at the bottom of the pan will help prevent the splashing of oil. After this, clean the area around the drain plug. Now, remove the drain plug. Next, remove the crush washer from the drain plug and discard. Then, access the oil filter through the passenger side rear wheel well. Wait 2 minutes to allow oil to drain back to the sump. Continue by placing shop rags under the filter to catch any spilled oil during removal. Using your hand or an oil filter wrench, turn the oil filter counterclockwise until oil starts to drain through the slot in the skid plate. Allow the oil to stop draining before removing the filter completely. Tip the open end of the oil filter up to minimize oil spill. Next, clean the filter sealing surface on the engine crankcase with a clean rag and ensure the original oil filter O-ring is not stuck to the crankcase. Lubricate the O-ring on the new oil filter with a film of clean engine oil. Check to make sure the O-ring is in good condition. Then, install the filter by hand until the filter O-ring contacts the sealing surface. Then, turn an additional 3/4 turn. Ensure all shop rags are removed after cleaning up any spilled oil. The sealing surface on the drain plug should be clean and free of burrs, nicks, or scratches. Install a new crush washer onto the drain plug. Next, reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Continue by removing the 4 cargo box fasteners. Then, lift the cargo box up and out to remove from the vehicle. Now, clean the area around the oil fill cap. Then, add the recommended oil through the oil fill cap located on top of the engine valve cover. Now, start the engine and allow it to idle for 2 to 3 minutes. Then, stop the engine and inspect for leaks. Wait at least 3 minutes before removing the dipstick. Next, remove the dipstick and wipe it dry with a clean shop rag. Reinstall the dipstick fully and remove again to inspect the oil level. Make certain the dipstick is inserted all the way down to ensure an accurate reading. Now, add the recommended oil as necessary to bring the oil level within the safe range on the dipstick. Do not overfill. A rising level between checks during cold weather operation can indicate contaminants such as gas or moisture collecting in the crankcase. If the oil level is over the upper mark, change the oil immediately. When finished, reinstall the dipstick and wipe away any residual oil. Then, reinstall the cargo box fasteners and torque to specification. Finally, dispose of the used oil, filter, and rags properly at your local recycling center. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.